Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day, everybody is safe. We have Prime Week coming up. Make sure you guys check out this company. My affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. Here we go. Yeah, they got Prime Day sales going on now, so take advantage. And ooh la la, da, 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 da. 3-in-1 foldable wireless charging stand, magnetic, 360 rotating. Ooh. Smartphone, earphone, smartwatch. So this is the whole thing. Alright. We got silver. We got la. Like that. There they are. And now we're going to open it up and test it out. So if you're in the market, check these guys out. Come on. Oh. Here we go. Got that one out. This is coming from I have no idea. It'll be fixed in the title, so we'll figure that out. Oh boy, come on. Man. Oh, there's tape there. Okay. Alright. Now I see. And there we go. There we go. That's a lot easier. Alright, we got something going on here for the iPhone. Nice little travel case. Got carbon fiber. And here we go. This is a zoom. There we go. Oh, look at that. The iPhone cord right here. Got another power right there. Maybe might tell in the name here. Three in one. So you put your phone, iWatch, Airpods, all that good stuff. Okay. Here we go. It's a really nice travel pouch. And then now, adds some weight to it, that's for sure. Looks pretty sweet. Oh. Look at that. Zoom. This is definitely different. I'm gonna throw this on the power, you go like this. We go. Get the twisty. Whoa. What's going on here? Make sure you plug it in. Like that. And take this. And now we plug this. We got the light turned on. And we could, I'm not sure if I got any room. Here we go. So you can have it fold down. That. And look at this. So you can rotate it any which way you want it. Make sure peel off that. Really nice. For your iPhone and other phones, I do believe. Let me check with my Ultra 24. The other phone's in the shop right now, so hold on one sec.